Hey guys, so this week's theme on YouTube Sisters is Advice Week. So I thought that I would go on to the Yahoo Answers thingy, look at some of the funny questions and try and give them some advice or some answers, because some of the questions are pretty ridiculous. So let's see if we can help these people. So the first person wants to find a song that they've heard because they don't know what song it is. So they've said, please help, a very popular techno song, they play it in the clubs. I always hear this song on the radio, but I cannot figure out the title of the song. The song is all beats, but it's like this. Okay, it starts off slow and then he starts picking up the speed and will go faster and faster. It's like dun 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 dun. Don't know if you got that, but this person has basically typed out dun 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 thinking people are gonna know the song that they're talking about. Don't really know how to give advice on this one, but you know, just go ask somebody, listen to the radio, they might tell you afterwards. Just don't type out that on Yahoo. So this person is clearly, you know, in the house and they're just sat doing what they're doing, and they put, what did my dad just say to me? I was listening to my iPod so I couldn't hear him. Unless your dad is on Yahoo Answers, then I don't think you're going to find that out unless you go and ask him. I went to England and they spoke American. Why is this? This one's just quite funny, I think. Okay, so my TV just exploded. How can I fix it? I think if your TV exploded, you wouldn't go straight to Yahoo Answers. You'd probably, you know, ring someone, ask them to fix it, or just sit staring at it and being shocked. My printer won't print GIFs properly. I'm trying to print a GIF file, but whenever I print it out, the picture doesn't move. Unless you're in Harry Potter, then I don't think it's gonna move. Sorry. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked seeing some of those crazy questions. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube Sisters, and I'll see you next week.